Welcome to the microwave series, episode number 3. Today I made a super soft and yummy coconut cake in the microwave. Crack the eggs. Add 75 grams sugar. Beat it until it's fluffy. The coconut aroma, soft texture, and melt-in-mouth taste will make you fall in love with this cake instantly. Add 60 grams oil gradually. Add coconut essence. 25 grams desiccated coconut, 55 grams all-purpose flour, 5 grams baking powder. Mix it gently by cut and fold method. Transfer the batter into a microwave-safe mold. Sprinkle desiccated coconut on top. Place it in the microwave and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. And that's it, a soft, rich coconut cake made in minutes. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy and tasty microwave recipes.